Exploring the world of plural indefinite pronouns. Embracing the unspecific. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our journey through English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're focusing on plural indefinite pronouns. These unique words can refer to multiple items or people without specifying exactly who or what they are. By the end of this video, you'll be able to recognize and use them effectively in your English conversations and writings. Firstly, let's talk about what indefinite pronouns are. Indefinite pronouns do not refer to a specific person, place, or thing. They are indefinite because they do not indicate the exact object or person. When these pronouns are in their plural form, they refer to more than one person or thing. Plural indefinite pronouns in English include words like several, many, others, both, and few. These pronouns are used when the speaker does not need to specify a particular number or identity. For example, many are called, but few are chosen. Others may disagree with your point of view. There are several options to consider. These sentences use plural indefinite pronouns to discuss multiple people or things without specifying who or what they are. A key aspect of using plural indefinite pronouns is that they should be used with plural verbs. This is because these pronouns, though indefinite, are referring to multiple entities. For example, many are hoping for a change. Few were left unsatisfied with the result. As with many grammar rules, there are exceptions. The words all, any, more, most, and some can be either singular or plural depending on the context. For example, all is well. Here, all refers to the overall situation. All the cookies are gone. Here, all refers to the cookies, a plural noun. We hope this journey through the world of plural indefinite pronouns has been enlightening. They are a fantastic tool for speaking and writing about multiple objects or people without being specific. Remember, practice is key in mastering any language aspect. Keep practicing and soon using these pronouns will become second nature to you. Until next time, happy learning!